Jack, your backgammon 6 and 1 1. One remote control, activate 5000 watts and 5000 watts. Press A. A is for 1 1, B is for 6 Jack. A. 2 1. Again A. 1 1. And now press on the other side A to see that it's still working. 1 1. And again A. 1 4. Again A. 1 1. And now B. Press again B. 6 and in the other side again B. 6 and now I take the dice. I want 6 Jack. I want 1 1 here. 1 close. This is the suitcase. This is the remote control. I gave to you 4 remote controls, 2 for the hand and 2 for the shoes, like toe switches.